Today I'm going to unbox this iPad Pro. Hey guys, today I'm going to unbox this 2018 12.9-inch iPad Pro. I got my buddy R2D2 with me to help me with the unboxing. Say hello, R2. Alright, now most people looking for an iPad Pro unboxing video have already watched one, but I picked this up for my wife and I need to set it up for her, so I figured I'd make this video and share it with you guys anyway. Now, this is the 2018, this is the latest model, 12.9 inch, so it's the big one. It's 64 gigabytes of storage and Wi-Fi only. Now the price, $999. Easy there, buddy, easy there. Yeah, I know. It costs a lot of money. All right, so let's get this out of the box. Hopefully I should be able to do this without a knife. I don't know, can you pull it on this tab here? Yeah, okay. So no unboxing knife necessary. All right, there we go. All right, so my wife, she uses an iPad. And she's been using an iPad 2 for I don't know how many years now. So a long time. And it was so slow. Finally, a couple months ago, I gave her my iPad Air. I just reformatted it and set it up for her. Couldn't stand watching her use this iPad 2. It was so slow. All right, now, I gotta say, this thing looks pretty damn cool. So let's put the iPad aside for a second. We'll check out, see what we got in the box. We move R2 a little bit there. So, designed by Apple in California. All right, some paperwork. Tells you about Face ID, some tips and some gestures. Thought there would be some stickers in here. I don't know. I'll look for that later. USB-C charging brick. So this is, I think, an 18-watt charging brick. They just came out with this new charging brick, and they do sell them in the store now. So if you wanted to get a fast charging brick for an iPhone, you can pick one of those up. And here's the USB-C cable. So no lightning port on this, USB-C. All right, and that's it for the box. I'm just going to put that stuff aside. All right, you ready for this? This is the sound of money leaving my wallet. Give this a feel. All right, this is silver. It's also available in space gray. Calm down, R2, calm down. And you can see this has very square edges. This is like the iPhone 5, 5S, SE. And let's see if this thing has some juice in here. And I think over here, this is where the pencil attaches. You can use the Apple Pencil with this. Now, I didn't go for any accessories at all. Wow, I gotta say, this thing is pretty freaking impressive. What do you think, R2? R2's freaking out here. So, English. And United States. All right, so now it says if you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11 or later, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. If you want, you can also set up this iPad manually. And I think here, what I'm going to do at this point is I'll pause the video and I'm going to go set this up for my wife's iPad. All right, guys, I'm back. I just went and set this up. Setup was a breeze. All I needed to do was hold it near my wife's old iPad, and then both the two iPads recognized that it was going to get set up from the old iPad. And at one point, I needed to point the camera of the old iPad at the screen on this. It detected some kind of pattern, and then it set up the iCloud account, moved over all her apps, all her data. Everything is set up and ready to go. And I've just been kind of rocking out with this thing here. Watching a little Netflix here. See, I have Thor going on Netflix. And I'm going to pause that there. So picture on the screen is absolutely amazing. The speakers, the volume and the clarity of the sound is really, really good. Very impressed by that. So it's going to be a great experience using this thing with Netflix. And the speed of this thing, the browser, is incredibly fast. You can see switching through different pages here on apple.com. Just loads incredibly fast. Really beautiful display. Now you'll see they removed the home button. They added the Face ID to it to unlock it, and they reduced the bezels on this, so there's minimal bezels around the side. Now I threw it in this TPU case. I picked this up on eBay for 11 bucks. I bought the case actually before the iPad came in, so I would have one to put on it. I'll put a link to that in the description below if you're interested. And I don't know what else I could tell you. This thing is just absolutely a beast. It's big. If you're used to one of the smaller iPads, it might take some time to get used to. But I think she's going to be able to do a lot with this iPad. She spends a lot of time using it, does most of the things that she needs to take care of outside of work on the iPad. So pretty cool. The Face ID, I set it up with my face. I think you can add 2 faces to Face ID now. So I'll have her add in her face, and then we'll see how well that works. All right, this isn't going to be a full review. I just wanted to share the unboxing and some thoughts on it since I needed to get this set up anyway. That's going to be it for this video. Thanks to R2 for helping me out today, and I will talk to you next time.